Introducing FleetWEIGH Smart Onboard Mass System, Australia's first all-in-one Bluetooth weight scale and telematics solution for air suspension vehicles. This TCA type approved Smart OBM system is engineered to handle Australia's toughest conditions. By using cutting-edge Bluetooth sensor technology, FleetWEIGH enables drivers to safely drop and load without leaving the cabin, enhancing efficiency and safety. FleetWEIGH, your load, your data, anywhere. No more juggling multiple suppliers or manually connecting trailer scales. FleetWEIGH integrates onboard mass systems and telematics into one trusted solution. Streamline efficiency, gain valuable mass visibility, and step into the future of transport technology today with FleetWEIGH Smart Onboard Mass.